with this year, the decade itself almost coming to an end in few days. And we're gonna step into a new decade with lots of dreams and hopes. Let's all say bye bye to this decade and welcome to the new one. Hey guys, welcome to Get Set Go with me Lavin. As I said, the decade itself gonna end with this month. Everyone would have experienced ups and downs in this decade. Am I right? So in this video, I'm gonna give you a task or activity which will be really helpful and it's quite interesting and have lots of fun. So for this, you just need a pen and paper, that's it. Write down 10 best and 10 worst things happened in this decade, like the major one. And write down the best lessons that you have learned in this decade. Take your own time and perform this activity. It's quite interesting. And now just read all the 10 best things happened throughout. And close your eyes and try to recall everything. And I'm damn sure you'll have a smile on your face. And just be thankful and happy for the best things happened. And now read out all the lessons that you have learned and repeat the same as above by closing your eyes and recalling it. And these lessons would have made you even more better and stronger. And now read out all the 10 worst things happened and close your eyes, recall it, and you may end up having tears, but don't worry. Never regret for bad things that happened in the past. So now it's time to write down 10 important things to do in the very first year of this decade. For that, you may refer previous 10 best things and worst things. If you want to repeat something in the best things part, you can write it down. And if you don't want to repeat the worst things, you should write it down again. I know it's a bit confusing. I'll just give you an example. Like in the best thing part, you would have done some project and it was damn successful. So now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take your project to the next level. And in the worst thing part, you would have started doing the project but you gave up in the middle just cause someone told you that you're not gonna do this, or just for some other reason. So what you should not repeat next time is just listen to yourself and not others, okay? Just do it as I said, you're gonna see many positive changes, trust me. I hope this was clear. So after performing these activities, you can share this picture through mail or by tagging me on Instagram. I'll post it on my Instagram stories. Wait, the video didn't come to an end still. As New Year arriving, I'm giving you something exciting for free. For that, you just need to go to the description and click on the very first link and fill in the Google form. Yay! You will get a 2021 e-calendar completely for free. It's customized by me for you all guys. So what you're waiting for? Go grab your free e-calendar. I hope you all will like it. And there is something very big and exciting thing coming up in my very next video. So never miss on that. For any queries, you can mail me or DM me. All the links are provided in the description. So that's it for now guys. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification. You can also follow me on Instagram where I'll be posting really motivational quotes over there. So you can check out the description for the links. I hope this was helpful. With this, I'll wind up. I'm Lavanya. Thanks for watching. Bye.